Come test drive the 2022 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.